That's exactly what the mackin' tastes like. Do you wanna taste the mackin', baby?
Have you ever seen a Mac in the flesh? My hand is broken and fractured from all the niggas I've been smacking to death. If it ain't moving, I can sure make it budge. And the only time I let a bitch get under my skin is if I'm donating blood. I give sugar to the bitches that I subdue. If niggas is tripping, it's razor blade to cut them every way but loose. I'm grooving with my hand up your wife. And if you mad, that's between you and your hoe, cause I'm too handsome to fight. Now at the crack of dawn, I'm in my Cadillac on the Macathon, trying to get more bread than a pack of buns. My bitches just chewing crotch like a pack of gum while I'm stacking my crumbs up from David Abernathy to Babylon. I figured if you train a hoe up to do right, then she'll do right. When I'm impressed, I throw some bread at her. Let's have a food fight. I can't give a break to a hooker. After I book her like a library, I give her a taste of my Mac and then it's like sugar, baby,
Sugar,
baby. It's like
sugar,
oh, baby.
sugar.
Get out of here, man. That's so good. My God. Fellas, make it.